Oh, hello there. Just to show you we don't discriminate. Small, big, tall, doesn't matter. We'll do it all. No matter how big the job or how small. By the way, I was pondering again. And you know, if you get the answer to any of these questions, please give me a call at 435-0679. But what I was pondering this time was, we've been taught or we've heard that monkeys and apes, we come from them. Well, if we come from monkeys and apes, why do we need monkeys and apes? Oh well, if you get the answer to that, please give me a call. Get to see what we can do here. Broken key inside. Now remember, if you have the answer to any of those ponderings, 435-0679. And by the way, if you need any job done, no matter how small or large it is, locksmith-wise, please give me a call. We handle houses, cars, anything. Safes, you let me know, we'll take care of it. Another satisfied customer.